I'm going to be showing y'all a tutorial on how to create a black and white stencil from any photograph using the app GIMP. So first off, you're going to start by opening the application. Once you have the app open, we're going to go and find the photo that we want to work with. So to do that, you're going to go to Files and click Open. Once you've located the photograph that you want to be working with, you will go back down here and click Open. GIMP will give you the option to rotate or use the original. For this, I want to rotate my image, so I'm just going to click the Rotate button. Once I've selected Rotate, I'm going to click Convert, and my image will pop up in the app. So for our first step, we're going to want to desaturate this photo. To desaturate a photo, you just go up here to the top and select Color off the toolbar. Go down to Desaturate, and then again go down to Desaturate. For this box, you're going to want to make sure that your mode is in lightness, so we're just going to click drop down to lightness, select it, and then click OK. Once you have your photo desaturated, we're going to go back up to the top to our colors button, and this time we're going to go to the brightness and contrast. So once you click that, your brightness and contrast box should open. Now for these, we are going to set our brightness to a -20. And our contrast to 70. Once you have your brightness and contrast set, you just go down and click OK. Now our next step in creating the stencil is we're going to remove the background. So to do that, we're going to start off by using our lasso tools. To use this tool, you're just going to hold down and trace the part of the image that you want to be in your stencil. It often helps if you zoom in, but just for this quick tutorial, I'm just going to go as fast as possible. And when you're off the image, it does not matter. Your lines do not have to be perfect. I'm going to get this last little section down here. And once you've finished tracing, go back to where you started. Once the yellow button pops up, you can release and click it. Now that we have our image selected, we're going to go up here to our colors and make sure that our foreground is white and that our background is black. If these are swapped, you can go here and click this exchange button and it will simply swap the colors for you. For our next step in removing the background, we're going to go up to the Edit button in the top and select Stroke Selection. For line width, you're going to want it to be about 26. And once you have this set as 26, you can go down here and click Stroke. For the next step, we're going to go back up here to the top, click Select, and click Invert. This will create this white line that outlines the part of the image you want in your stencil. Once you have that white line set, we're going to go back up to the top, click the Edit button, and go down to Fill with Background Color. And this is what's going to make our background go away. Once you have removed your background, you're going to want to go up to the top and click Select, and then click None. After you've clicked None, we're going to go and change the color threshold, and this is what is going to give this image a stencil-like look. To do that, you're going to go up to the top and click Colors and go down to Threshold. And from here, you can pull the arrows and play around until you get the stencil to look exactly how you'd like it to. Once you're done, you can click OK, and then you save your image. That's all for this tutorial.